Hello guys, welcome to tip of the day.
Today's tip is take a screenshot and customize screenshot.
Let's go and check it out.
To see how to take a screenshot, this is the power button and this is the home button, and first we have to select the screen which we want to take the screenshot, and by pressing the power button and the home button simultaneously at a time, the screen will be captured, and we can even edit the captured image. We have some mockup tools at the beneath, and we can write or we can scribble, and we can even change the pen, and we can even remove the scribblings, and we can even text, we can even sign there, and we can even magnify that. Yeah, I'm writing some text over there. Yeah, now I'm changing the color, and I'm now changing the font size and changing the text style, and now I'm trying a magnifying font. Yeah, you can even customize even longer. Yep, we can even remove all the things we have done. And we can even add some shapes to the image captured, and we can add some emoji shapes. Yeah, at last we can save to photos, or we have another option called delete the screenshot. This image will be automatically saved to the photos. This is a good feature.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.